Welcome back. Another stream. Subscribe, comment, drop a like if you haven't. Today we continue with our Android journey. We're on pathway 3, architecture components. I have no clue what this means, but let's see. Track architecture components collection libraries to help with design robust, testable, and maintainable apps. It's just a library. Scramble app.
Oh, hey. I'm just trying to figure out what word these letters spell when unscrambled. But we'll get to unscrambling things in a minute. Congratulations! You've made it to the halfway point of this unit. So far, you've learned about how you can have multiple activities in an app, how to use fragments, and how to use the Jetpack navigation component. Now it's about to get even more exciting. That's right, you guessed it. We're about to enter the world of architecture components. Specifically, you'll learn how to use powerful libraries like ViewModel and live data to architect or design an app. Just like how you want a well-architected building to withstand the test of time, a well-architected app will be easier to add onto and maintain. In addition, this architecture simplifies handling the Android practices is a crucial step. Now it's about to get even more things in a minute. Congratulations! You've made it to the halfway point of this unit. So far, you've learned about how you can have multiple activities in an app, how to use
I was looking at the course to mobile app dev seems a lot more straightforward to other forms of programming. Actually, it's kind of funny. I think it's actually opposite for me. A lot of the other programming parts probably have a more gradual learning curve, but the mobile app stuff just keep throwing a bunch of stuff at you, and it doesn't really explain a lot of the parts. We'll see. But I like it. I think I might like it more once I get more comfortable as well.
fragments and how to use the Jetpack navigation component. Now it's about to get even more exciting. That's right, you guessed it. We're about to enter the world of architecture components. Specifically, you'll learn how to use powerful libraries like ViewModel and live data to architect or design an app. Just like how you want a well-architected building to withstand the test of time, a well-architected app will be easier to add onto and maintain. In addition, this architecture simplifies handling the Android activity, fragment, and application lifecycle. Following good app architecture practices is a crucial step towards becoming a more mature Android developer, and this will be your first chance to gain hands-on practice. You'll build the Unscramble app, the game that I was playing earlier, and if you guess the word correctly, your score increases. If you guess incorrectly, an error shows, but you can try again. If you get stumped, you can skip the word. After you get through 10 words, the game is over and this dialogue pops up with your final score. By the end of this pathway, you might be better at unscrambling words, but you'll definitely have a better grasp on how to use Jetpack architecture components in your Android apps. You'll be able to store data in a view model and use data binding with live data to update the UI based on data changes in your app. It's pretty powerful stuff. I should have known. It spells haircut. I could totally use another one of those. Now that I've solved my problem, let's explore how architecture can help solve your app development problems.
Okay. Store data in ViewModel. Configuration changes. Retain app data. So previously we were using like the put extra and those really what's it called, like data bundle to pass things around. Let's see what's up with this. Holy moly. Store data in ViewModel. You've learned increased code life cycles. Activities and fragments. Oh boy, I forget what those on create, uncreated, way on view creative. I forgot the different roles already. Like when you put, when you inflate a view, when you bind to the different view objects. Is that how you call it? I already forgot most of those. Save after saving instance state is one option, but comes with its own limitations. Go learn about robust redesign your app and preserve app data during configuration changes by taking advantage of Android Jetpack libraries. So basically, Android Jetpack is a library that helps you follow good practices, etc. I like building blocks. I kind of wish they did like a drop down thing, because that's what the XML files were for. App architecture is a set of design rules, much like the blueprint of a house. Architecture provides the structure of your app. A good architecture can make your code robust, flexible, scalable, and maintainable for years to come. With this step, you'll learn how to use ViewModel, one of the architecture components to store app data. It's not long so recreates. Remember, we went through a whole lot of troubles to save data when the view was destroyed. Started was not lost. Architecture ViewModel team UI data. Backing properties in Kotlin. Scramble game app where the user can guess unscramble words. Okay. So display unscramble words. It's correct. Is there a timer? I want to add a timer. Cut. Okay, got that unscramble. word starter. Let's see what's wrong with that first. Where's 20? What's this? Rock or not? Oh, I got it. Dance. Okay, then press enter. It automatically goes to if I press enter, it goes to skip. Submit. I just have to submit. It will always give me points, and it doesn't end at 10. Let's see. Yep. 10 games. Oh, really? Really? Yeah, a dock. This is kind of. During breaks. Look, got those meetings. Me, I feel morning meetings. I take a big amount of my meetings on my bed now. Because you don't really have to participate in some of them. Even back then, there are a lot of meetings that I just don't go, and the other productive work is instead. Oh, Nando. Picture can mostly learn by this past day. Okay, look forward to that because those were super hacky from what I can tell. Starter code walkthrough. Game fragment is probably the main thing. Display score and counts. So yeah. Okay, one activity, one fragment. Some colors, you got some strings. You know this very well. And styles and themes like the text color, text font, etc. Main activity contains the default template generally coded to set the activity's content view as main activity.xml. List of words.kt contains a list of words used in game as well as constants for the maximum number of words per game and the number of points the player scores for every correct word. Kind of like the app data almost. Yep. The only fragment in the app and most of the game's action takes place. To find the current scramble word. Current scramble word count and score. Then access to the binding objects with access to game fragment called binding is defined. One create view in place layout. On view created. So like those UIs are connected. This is the binding happens, right? I think. I don't know. Here's binding. Oh, let's see. Click listener. The escape word. The other button listener. Code for these two are very similar. The next scramble words is a helpful function, so it goes along with skip words, I think. Well, it goes along both of this. Start game, exit game. Oh, didn't see this. Set error text field, clears the text field, and then reset the error status. This one, I'm not sure what it means. Really means errors related to app or the errors related to wrong guesses on the words. Update next word on screen. Function displays the new scrambled word. Pretty self-explanatory. About app architecture provides you with guidelines to help you allocate responsibility on app. One the most common principle, but what are all of them? If there's all of them. Oh. I want to say this. Separation of concerns. Okay, it's got like one function, one class. Should I have UI from a model? Different from affected by the app's lifecycle and associated concerns. Seems I get it, but not completely. I think the way to rephrase this is it's kind of like a bundle separate from parts utilized in the life cycle. Then the life cycle always goes to this bundle to get data and recreate. And we'll come back, good friend. I've seen the emote before. That was a JK emote, nice. The main classes or components in Android architecture, UI controller, ViewModel, live data, and room. These components take care of some of the complexity of lifecycle and will help you avoid lifecycle related issues, like the destroy and lose all data thing. Okay, we'll talk about that later, it seems. Oh. What with this? models can destroy the activity based on user interactions anytime. Users don't lose data if Android destroyed it. Yup. Oh, this one is real cool. Like sometimes YouTube keeps playing even though you're disconnected. UI layer, domain layer. Oh yeah. UI renders the data on screen, host the data. Don't know what that means, to be honest. This one makes sense, but the stakeholder doesn't make sense. The data layer of an app contains the business logic. Business logic is what gives value to your app. It's made of rules that determine how your app creates, stores, and changes data. The data layer is made of repositories that each can integrate with many data resources. You should create a repository class for each different model of data you handle in the app. For example, you might create a movies repository class for data related movies, or a payment repository class for data related to payments. Centralizing changes. Oh, that's why it's named repository. It's got like co-repositories. This is logic. Activities and fragments are UI controllers where controllers control the UI by drawing views on the screen, capturing user events, and anything else related to the UI. The user interacts with data in the app, or any decision-making logic about data should not be in the UI controller classes. Android system can destroy UI controllers anytime. So shouldn't store them in UI controllers. ViewModel is the data layer. But rather than this controls this, more like this access this. Oh, this is part of the library. Cool. So we can add process, but beyond UI controllers. Basically drawing stuff to the screen and reacting, responding. This is a host to holding on the data. It's like holding all the elements. Store app data schema over will be architected for main activity contains one single fragment. Game fragment accesses information from the game view model. Activity versus fragment. I really don't like it for geeks. focus thing the user can do. Custom negatives like provides a box of interesting stuff. It lays out all the fragments, buttons, text to the users. That's why it's called main. Creating a window for you. It's almost like activities it's not like a blackboard, and this is like those picture that you could. This one is like our frame. This is the fragment is the pane. You can switch in between our frames. Okay. In the Android window for Android Studio, Gradle scripts. This one, the app one, module one. Make sure this ViewModel. Yep, it's already here. Undocked. Float. cute. Create a new Kotlin class called ViewModel. In UI game. Abstract class extended. Attach the ViewModel to the fragment. Game fragment, you create an instance of ViewModel. What? But I thought this should be away from fragments. And Kotlin property delegate. Read only property value. Oh, this is a read only. By ViewModel's delegate class. This loses state when the device goes to the coverage. Okay, so this exists in. It's almost like got delegated by this ViewModel thing. Delegate class. It's a delegate property rather than one that disappears. God, that property delegation prevents it from getting lost. Cool. That's the end of this video and today's stream. See you guys next time. Peace.